Happy and energetic day, dear children. I welcome you all to the English Corner. Children, what we are going to learn is the Supplementary Reader, Chapter 4. The name of the story is The Cop and the Anthem. Right? Children, what is the meaning of cop, dear? The cop and the anthem. What is the meaning of cop? Cop is the policeman. Okay, we are calling here in India as policeman, and in America they'll call the policeman as the cop. Okay, shall we enter into the story, dear? Yes. So before reading the lesson, have you ever found yourself in a situation in which what happened was opposite of what you expected? See, most of the times, we will be expecting something, and what really happens was something else which is very bad, right? Expectation versus reality. Have you heard this and have you come across these sort of situations? Expectations will be very high, and what is it? Really, what happened was very embarrassing. Okay. So if you find such a situation, you just share it with us. Okay. You're familiar with the irony of the situation, which is often embarrassing. The story that you're going to read has a number of such situations. So he will be expecting something, hero will be expecting something, and in real and very bad situation will occur, right? Or you may end up with a comic situation will occur. So something like that will happen in this story. So many situations are coming. So shall we enter into the lesson? Yes. Soapy. Soapy is a name of a man. He is a hero of the story. Okay. Soapy is a homeless, jobless man. Who is he? He is a homeless, jobless man. Winter is fast approaching and Soapy must have a place to stay. Yes. Soapy comes to a decision at last. What is the decision? That is what is a suspense here. Right? So Soapy moved restlessly on his seat in Madison Square. Madison Square is the name of the place. Okay, there are certain signs to show that winter is coming. What are the symptoms, dear? For winter, what will be the symptom? One, it will be very cool, right? Then, in nature, what happens to the flowers, leaves in the trees? Leaves will fall down, right? So, there are certain signs to show that winter is coming. Birds begin to fly south. This is one symptom. Birds begin to fly south. Why? To compensate that winter, it is flying south because birds cannot tolerate that coldness. So people want new warm coats. And Soapy moves restlessly on his seat in the park. When you see these signs, you know that winter is near. So when the birds are flying south and when you feel cool, that means what? Winter is coming. Right? Winter is very near to you. A dead leaf fall at Soapy's feet. So another sign is leaves will fall down. Right? A dead leaf fell at Soapy's feet. That was a special sign for him that winter was coming. It was time for all who lived in Madison Square to prepare. So when the dead leaves are falling, that means what? Winter was coming. So everyone has to prepare for themselves in winter. Right? Soapy's mind now realized that fact. What is the fact? The time had come, and he had to find some way to take care of himself. He cannot stay in road or in platforms in any other place. He has to find a way to take care of himself during the cold weather. So he has to protect himself from the cold weather. For that, he needs a home, right? He needs earning. He needs earning to take care of his food, isn't it? So first is food, then dress, and then shelter, right? So all these are basic needs. Roti, kapda or makan. You heard in Hindi? Food, shelter and yes, dresses. So all these are basic needs. So he needs a home now to protect himself from cold weather. Now and therefore he moved restlessly on his seat because he is a homeless, jobless man, right? So peace mind now realized that fact. What is the fact? The time had come. He had to find some way to take care of himself during the cold weather, and therefore he moved restlessly on his seat. Now, Soapy's hope for the winter were not very high. He is not having very much of a expectation. He was not thinking of sailing away on a ship, or he don't like to sail from one country to another country also. He was not thinking of southern skies or Bay of Naples. So all these are famous places which people will go there. 3 months in a prison. So what he had expected is 3 months that winter has to go off, right? 3 months in prison on Blackwell's Island was what he wanted. So this is what is the Blackwell's Island. I have shown you the prison, the picture of the prison. A very long gates are there, isn't it? All separate jail, prison, and this is a map of the Blackwell Island. So here only the what to say, the thieves, robbers, criminals, all will be in this jail. So what happens is Soapy wants to go there. That is what is his wish, right? 3 months. Why he wished to go there? Because he doesn't have home. He wanted to stay in a safe place, right? So 3 months of food every day was free and a bed every night. 3 months safe from cold north wind and safe from cops, police. This is what Soapy wanted most in the world. Very, very, it seems to be very idiotic, but in practical, that is what is real. Soapy's hope for the winter were not very high. He was not thinking of sailing away on the ship. He was not thinking on southern skies or Bay of Naples. 3 months in the prison on Blackwell's Island was what he wanted. 3 months of food every day and a bed every night. 3 months safe from the cold north wind and safe from cops. This is what Soapy wanted most in the world. Right? You understood this paragraph? Right. For years, Blackwell's Island had been his winter home. Richer New Yorkers made their plans to go to Florida or to the shore of the Mediterranean Sea each winter. Soapy made his small plans for going to the island. So what happens? Blackwell Island had been his winter home before he went to Blackwell's Island during winter. Richer New Yorker, rich persons made their plans to go to Florida or to the shore of Mediterranean Sea each winter to enjoy the climate. Here it will be very cool and there it will be normal. Soapy made his small plans. What is it? To go to Blackwell's Island. That is what is his plan. See, in summer season, In India, we will plan to Kodaikanal, Ooty and other cool places, isn't it? Same way, there people are planning for winter. Winter, they are planning to go to some other place, right? And now the time had come. Three big newspapers, some under his coat and some over his legs, had not kept him warm during the night in the park. In night time, he's staying in the park itself, his coat and three big newspaper. Everything was there, but it is not tolerating the cold. He feels still more cooler. It's not at all warm for him, right? So Soapy was thinking of the island. Always in his mind, what is coming is Blackwell Island. Okay, thinking of the island. There were places in the city where he could go and ask for food and a bed. So some places are there where they will go and beg for food and ask for bed. These would be given to him. He could move from one building to another, but actually that is not safe, right? So he has to move from one building to another building to ask all these. And he would be taken care of through the winter, but he liked Blackwell's Island only. In the best way, he thought was a Blackwell Island, staying in Blackwell's Island in that jail, right? So before entering, we will see the word Waldia. Southern skies are the warmer places. Okay, Blackwell Island, name of a prison. Soapy went to the prison. Government would look after his food and stay. Cop is policeman. It's an American English, right? So what happened is, Soapy's spirit was proud. So he feel very proud that he wants to go to Blackwell's Island. If he went to any of these places, there were certain things he had to do. In one way or the other, he would have to pay for what they gave him. So in so many other places are there where he can stay back and ask for food also. They will give, but what they'll do? They'll ask for money. So here he didn't have any money, isn't it? So they would not ask him for money also. It will be like begging only. But they would make him wash his whole body. So they would make him answer questions. They would want to know everything about his life. Suppose if they are not asking money, then what happens? They will ask the history, geography, physics, chemistry of everything of a person, isn't it? So he doesn't like that also. So Soapy's spirit was proud. If he want to go to any of these places, there were certain things he had to do. One is he has to pay money for whatever he is buying or whatever, wherever he is staying. And otherwise, he has to say the whole history of himself, his life, so that he don't like it, isn't it? So, no. Now he decided very strongly. Prison was better than that. Okay? Prison was better in all sorts of ways. The prison had rules that he would have to follow. That is there. But in prison, a gentleman's own life was still his own life. So our behavior, based on our behavior, everything will go normal, right? A gentleman own life was still his own life. Soapy, having decided to go to the island, at once began to move towards his desire. Desire here is wish. What is his wish? His wish is to go to Blackwell's Island, that jail in the jail in Blackwell's Island. Okay, so prison was better choice for him. it seems to be the best choice for him. Okay, so till this you understood, dear. Thank you so much.